Okay, go ahead. I'll follow you. You go ahead. No, you can ride on the sidewalk. There's a car. You hear it? You sit tight.
That car. Beep and rubby. Mama. Whoa. It's a phone bike, Mom.
It's another car. Alright, after this car, you going to be ready? You want to go ahead across? Look both ways. Do you see any more cars coming?
No.
Did you look the other way?
Yes.
I only saw you look one way. Alright, pedal across.
Alright, Mommy.
Are we good? I just want to video for a second. I will, honey, in just a minute. Minna and Ava have a turn. Do you need a push? Say, Daddy, please give me a push.